What's up everybody, welcome back to Takeshi Aquatics, and yes, this is just another unboxing. Today is a very small shipment, but you know, what's new? I'm always just doing unboxing videos. I promise you that I will do other videos other than unboxing one day. It's just that owning a small little micro shop is still very busy, especially when I'm doing construction every time to improve the shop, or at least I try to. So bear with me, I will have different videos other than unboxing, but I think right now the unboxing videos is something I need to do anyway. Other than that, I just want to give a big thanks again to Tucky's Bettas and her family. Also a big shout out to my Indonesia broker. He always is out there looking for those unicorn type of fish to get me, and so that we can bring those into Hawaii. So let's get started. We only have about 20 fish or so to open. Only half the shipment that I ordered are coming in, so I'm not too familiar with what fish is exactly going to be in the shipment, so it's going to be a surprise. And yes, in case you're wondering, the Department of Ag did sign off on this fish, so thank you very much for Department of Ag. Got my little gloves on over here, ready to got my little gloves on over here, ready. Got my little gloves on here, ready to go, and let's do this. Oh, pretty cool. It's the first time I'm going live. We're gonna do an unboxing. Basically, we have about 20 fish, so it's not that much. It's really small. The Indonesian shipment was kind of almost cut in half, and I was kind of late to the game as far as ordering more fish, so that was on my fault. So I only have a little bit of fish, but it's gonna be exciting because I have some special fish in here. Hopefully, it looks good, but there's only one way to find out. And I'm looking at the phone right now, so I don't know. I should be looking at the camera for the YouTube video, but I guess maybe I'll do that. So if I'm not looking at you, then you'll know why. In any case, let's get started. And here we have about 20 or so fish. Let me get my scissors. Woo, this is pretty exciting if you ask me. I'm always excited when I get fish shipment in, even if it is a little bit, but it's always cool to see. And you know, it's always a challenge to see how many DOAs I'm gonna get today. Hopefully 0, but so far this year that hasn't been the case. But we'll just grab the middle here, and what we have is, woo, that's cool. So this is a male gold crown-tail guppy. Yeah, and it looks like it's mixed with some meth blue, but I'm gonna show the camera up here first. If you guys are interested watching this YouTube video and you want to actually see the live action on Instagram, and I'm gonna show it on Instagram over here. Wait, is it the same? So if I show it on my YouTube, can you see it on Instagram? Yeah. Cool, that's cool. So that's a male gold crown-tail guppy. Super cool fish. I like it a lot. It's kind of small. Okay, next up, I need a towel. Wipe it over here. Okay, I'm just gonna close my eyes and pick one. Yes! This is an albino crown-tail guppy. Nice and alive. Love it. See, lives, I never do lives because it always takes so long. I rather cut the video so it's not so boring, because people's attention span is only like 3 minutes or so. But this is the blue sky crown-tail guppy. And believe this is a male, if I'm not mistaken. Anytime you ship fish, anytime, they will always lose their colors. So when this guy colors up after a couple of days, it's gonna look even more beautiful than he already does. All right, let's see what's next. Oh, what up, dog? How you doing? Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's 2 of these guys. I'm just gonna skip and look because I really need both of them. Yes! They're both alive. All right, so I picked these bags. You know, when the seller is a good seller, the bag is just full of air, and when you cut it, it just pops like you're opening up a soda can. Because yeah, fish need water, but look how much water there is. Fish need oxygen almost more than they need water. Of course they need water. I don't know what I'm talking about. Never mind. But check this guy out. I'm gonna gently put him in here. I don't know if it's a girl or a boy, but this, very expensive to bring in. Not gonna lie, but I really wanted them. This is called, I have no idea fish what this is called, but I can tell you that it's a cichlid. It's golden and it's a shell dweller. That's right. And I have an actual pair of these guys. They were, you know, pretty expensive because they were hard to find, but pretty cool. Man, I can't wait to get this guy in their tanks. I want to show you the tank I built for them, but for now they have to acclimate correctly. All right, that's shell dweller, golden shell dweller number 1. And again, I'm sorry I forgot the name. I should be punished for that. But do you see how the bag is like this? Hardly any air. The fish is still alive, so that's cool, you know. But I like it when there's a lot of air, because then I know fish has a better chance of survival. Do I ever get DOAs from bags with a lot of air? Yes, I do. So I don't even know if that matters, but I'm pretty sure it does. Anyways, this is either the other female or male cichlid shell dweller, and it's a golden one. You can tell it's not really gold because, again, fish lose their color when they're shipped. But look how beautiful. Holy crap. This is definitely a beautiful fish. Let's get on with it. Oh, nice. I don't know what this is. What is this? Lots of air. I always go like this. One time I opened the bag, things splashed all over my face. That was pretty gross. But you know, this is a betta, guaranteed. Which species of betta? I don't know. Is it a common splendid betta? Absolutely not. Is it a macrostoma? Nope. This is one of those bettas that you will hardly ever, rarely see in Hawaii at all. I'll get the name later. I mean, if you watch the YouTube video, I'll put the name on the bottom. But for now, that's a cool looking betta. And again, no color because of shipping. And if he wants to turn to his side so he can pose for the camera, that'll be great. But if not, you see a boy or girl? I don't know. Here, there you go. Maybe that'll help. There you go. Pretty cool. All right, next. Oh, we gotta get through this as fast as possible. Woo! So far, so good. All right, this one is another golden crown-tail guppy. How's them apples? Golden crown-tail guppies. Shee! And Hawaii can only bring in like, I don't know, 6 or 7 different species. So it's important for us to find the strains that matter. And those are the ones that I concentrate on. Am I gonna bring in anything that Hawaii doesn't allow to bring in? Or federal government? Don't ask, because it's not happening. Ooh, here's the other betta, wild betta, that I don't know the name to because I didn't print out the paper. And it's probably because I was rushing while I was doing this because I got to get the fish out of here. But he looks lively, or she. You guys can see how these fish are shipped. They're not shipped in very much water at all. Like if you put this in a fish tank and you don't tip the fish tank, the fish will just not be able to swim anywhere. This is a female gold crown-tail guppy. Gotta rip through it, get out of there. Okay, so another thing is double bag. When you guys order fish, make sure the seller double bags his fish, because if not, you can see right here, the bag leaked. So because of the second bag, it helped. Or the trans-shipper repacked it. Woo! Whoa! This is the female gold crown-tail guppy. How's them apples? Okay, now for this one. Yeah, the gold crown-tail guppies was cool when I first got them, but it's always cooler when you get a fish never had before. That is this guy. I don't know his name. Again, I'll post it in the video, not in the live stream, but in the video. But this is a betta, one of the betta species. 100% legal in Hawaii, so you don't have to worry, but it's one of those species that is just killers, man. I put them on my my Facebook, not my Facebook, my Instagram stories. If he just wants to turn to his side, that would be awesome. Look at that. Whoa, that looks pretty sick, right? All right, next up, go. Gotta move. Okay, not blue. Oh no. Oh yes. What is this? Okay, I don't know what this is. It's a fish. Go. Here it is. What is you? What are you? I don't know what you are. What is that? I didn't order this. Did I order this? Maybe I did. I don't know. You guys know what this is? Because I don't know what this is. When I find out though, I'll put a name on the screen there so you guys can see it. But yeah, I don't know what this fish is. Looks like some sort of guppy or medaka or something. It's white. I don't know. But yeah, you're right. You see how it turns out when it's settled. Yep. Okay, next bag that is kind of dead. Oh no, not dead. Yes. But you can tell, you can see the bag in this one. Very no more air. And this particular fish is part of the gourami family, I think. I'm not an expert. You gotta ask the experts. I'm not one of them. But this is a paradise fish. Lots of water. And they also have the labyrinth organ, just like bettas. But this is a paradise fish. It's the blue one that I brought in a long time ago. As you can see, he looks white. Completely lost his color. So in a few days, hopefully his colors come back and we'll get a beautiful fish. But as you can see here, he's pretty much pale. He's like in shock, a ghost. Maybe he's getting ready for Halloween. I don't know. They call that in Indonesia the blue crown-tail paradise fish. That was the male. There's another white bag, and in here there is another paradise fish. Thank you very much. Same thing, probably used up the air. I don't really know, but I gotta get this fish out of here as soon as possible so we can get him or her acclimated as soon as possible. So let's get her in here. And yes, this is a her. Another blue crown. Oh wow, she's pretty. Wow, look at that. When she turns blue, she's gonna be so nice. Look at that. Super, super, super healthy too. I like it. Look at that. That's quality right there, man. I'm not a fish expert. Never said I was. Never say I will be. But another bag that's not blue, and it is, yes, you guessed it, another female paradise fish. Yes, I ordered a trio. Ooh, look at it. Look at it. Oh, I like your tail. Okay, check her out. Looking nice and healthy. All right, let's go. Another not blue bag. What is this? Oh, and it's alive, and I don't know what it is, but it's a fish. Check it out. Whoa, it just jumped out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You gotta, whoa, chill out, bro. Chill out. I don't know what you are. What did I order? Oh, I wonder if this is the killifish. Oh yeah, this is the killifish. Okay, I'm just gonna say, I ordered 2 female annual killifish, and that's because one of the males died. So I figured, no, one of the females died. Then I sold a male and a female, and then the male died. So now I only have 2 female killifish. So now I gotta buy males or hatch the eggs, but these guys will die before then. But this is a female killifish. They are known to jump. They are jumpers. It's just probably why she's trying to jump out right now. She had her chance as soon as I opened the bag, and so she was trying to escape. But yeah, that's a female annual killifish. Next. All right, now the blue bags. The blue bags are blue because, oh, this one, oh, this is cool. See, I don't buy Bettas anymore because nobody likes my Bettas for some reason, but I do have a lot of alien and wild Bettas. So hybrids and wild Bettas, I just like them better. Their iridescence is pretty nice, but this fish was sent to me, and I didn't know about it. It was like a surprise. Wow, he's nice. Look at that. What is this? This is a red dragon bicolor. Look at that. Nice and healthy too. I'm telling you, the seller for this batch of fish here, excellent. Hard to beat. Takes care of his fish. Next, and another thing about Bettas that I have a hard time about, I have a lot of friends that don't have a hard time with this, but with me, I have a space issue. And wait, what? Wait, what is this? Huh? What's going on? Oh, I know what this is. This another cichlid. Fire, double fire, triple fire. In Indonesian, they call it full red orange. Full orange, I forget. Some kind of cichlid. I have a tank ready for this guy. Not colored up just yet, so you gotta wait. Shipping again, and I'm gonna keep repeating myself, kills the color of any fish basically that I've brought in so far. And so this guy should color up. I think he's going to be red. Next, blue bag. If you're wondering what the blue is in this bag, probably meth, and not the kind you find on the streets. It's called methylene blue, and they use this as well as other type of antiseptic like the yellow water and stuff like that to prevent diseases and sicknesses while the fish are traveling, because when fish travel, they get stressed, and stress kills humans and all animals, including fish. So that's why they make the water blue. But this is a crown tail, albino crown tail. Looks like a female. Albino crown, wait a second. Is this a sky blue? Yeah, albino crown tail, female sky blue. I know, that's a lot of words for a fish, no question. Okay, next. So far, so good. So far, so... Oh, this is the other half of that betta that I don't know the name for. It's always funny because when I cut the bag like that, I always think the fish is going to jump and I'm going to cut it in half. I mean, sashimi is great, but I don't know if sashimi tastes good for freshwater aquarium fish, but who knows, right? Check this out. This is the other half of that betta that I was showing you earlier that I don't know the name. And I don't know the name because I don't have the list with me, but I should bring the list with me. If this guy or girl, this is probably the guy. I don't know if these guys have egg sacs or if they're bubble nesters or brooders or whatever, but oh, I thought this was dead. Oh, he's small though. She's small. Juvies are cool. I can grow them out. Another example of a broken bag here. That's why you double bag. You see the top bag leaked and you got the bottom bag. Always double bag your fish when you ship. This looks like a gold. I don't know. See, that's what I mean. So I got sky blue and I got gold. If they don't have their color, I don't know what kind of fish they are, right? So I don't know if this is the gold crown tail guppies or if this is the sky blue crown tail guppies. And I don't know if I ordered the red ones. I thought I did, but oh no, that wasn't the red one, because this one is the red one. That's right. Sounds like my foot at nighttime. Silent but violent. Okay, first time I'm bringing this one in. I don't know if it's the first one in Hawaii. I'm not gonna ever make that claim, but this is the red. I don't know if it's called red. Sky red, sky blue, so maybe sky red. I don't know, but this is the red crown tail guppy. Oh, look at that. Almost looks like a Santa Claus, if anything, right? But yeah, it looks pretty cool. This is the male, I think. Yep. Uh-oh, bag looks empty. Cut it. Yeah, nice and alive. Ooh, water's super murky though. Probably swimming in a lot of ammonia right now, but that's part of the acclimation process to detoxify the ammonia when I get the fish in. But this is the albino. Looks like a female, right? Hard to see because the water is so cloudy. I have to look at it in the camera. Okay, last one. No, second to the last one. What is this? Same thing, same thing. I know you guys are probably bored. This is the first time I'm doing a live. I don't know how it's gonna go, but this is a nice thing. Red eyes, so it's albino. So this must be the sky blue crown tail guppy. Let's see, perfect for the holidays. Yeah, that's true. That's a good point. Okay, last one. So far, so oh, dude. This is the first time. No DOAs. First time this whole year. Is there another one? Gotta make sure, right? Because I know I'm gonna get botchy or something. Okay, this is the crown tail red. Oh, wow. Another male? Eh? Did I get two males? I don't know. Yeah, it looked like I get two males. How come? But this is the red crown tail guppy. Looks like a male. I already unboxed one of the males. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. As always, I appreciate every single one of you. And like I said, I will try to do more than just unboxing. But you know what? Things are hard sometimes. I'm really busy, so I am sorry for that, but I will do my best. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for hanging in there. And yes, I will try to make other types of videos other than unboxing, but right now that's pretty much what I do. And then, you know, it's a way for me to kind of share with people in the fish community what I'm bringing into Hawaii. And if you're interested in the fish, yeah, just hit me up. No problem. Thank you so much again for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. I gotta say that because that's what everybody else says. All right, see you later. Bam!